Welcome to Market Bag. I am Kelsey and I'm back at the downtown Kingston Coronation Market this week with my usual budget of $2,500 and we're gonna see what we can get in the market. Let's go shopping. Hi Richard.
Alright.
How the markets are run today?
Yeah, alright. So far, about few look at things are raised up in here like pop chow, ginger, aki still a go on with weight a go on with. Fruits and vegetables at reasonable rate, especially pine and melon and then like something. People ain't can go spend them money.
Alright, how the farm them stay?
Jolt there are certain places and where jolt no the little rain and mash up the crop. So tomato man a go ball if rain catch him. Sweet pepper man a go ball if rain catch him. Next week and week after go long down, things are going to raise because jolt a get tighter. If you notice more breeze a blow. So you know see more drought.
Well, that's it for this edition of Market Bag. Join us again next week for some more shopping. Until then, I'm Kelsey.